Next page, PERF INIT page, performance initialization page, where we will fill in this data according to our flight plan, as you see here. Notice that the fields with the squares should be mandatory filled, while the fields with the dashed lines may be filled or not. We will start by the cost index, which is 29 here, then the reserve, which is 2,434 pounds, 2.4, then the ZFW, zero fuel weight, which is the aircraft weight with zero fuel, 134,214, which will be typed in 134. Then we type in a cruise altitude here, 35,000. Then the cruise wind. Cruise wind is defined by two numbers, 291 degrees slash two numbers defining the cruise wind is, these numbers are its direction in degrees 291 and its speeds in knot 39. Now this is the top of climb outside air temperature, T/COAT. It is -47 degrees.